Here we're going to write a quadratic equation when given the vertex and one other point on the graph. You can use the vertex form to plug in your vertex and the ordered pair, and that will give you your value for A. In other words, the coefficient to determine how much this graph was vertically stretched or compressed. So as we can see here that this graph looks a lot wider than its parent function, and you can check by going over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1. It's not on the graph, so this graph is much wider, so I can already suspect it's going to be some fraction, because anytime you have some fraction there as its coefficient, the graph is going to be a wider a compression there, vertically compressed, versus stretching being more narrow. So once we plug everything in, it's going to look like so. Now we need to do the math, starting with the parentheses first. -2 squared equals 4. 4 times A is 4A. Add 1, divide by 4, and A equals 1/4. And now that we know the coefficient there, we can plug everything in to get our quadratic function. So you will plug in a 1/4 for A. You're going to plug in your vertex points in their place. Remove H, replace it with a 2. Remove K, replace with a -1. And there you have your quadratic function.